This trick will help you multiply numbers that have 1 as their unit quickly. What you have to do is this: just say 5 times 8. 5 times 8 will be 40. Then you say 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 will give what? 13. Write 3 and add the 1 here. Then you say 1 times 1. That is 1. So this will give 4,131. Let's try another one. Let's try and multiply 91 by 41. Don't forget that this trick only works for numbers that end in 1. The first thing is to multiply the tens digit. 9 times 4, that's 36. Then add the tens digits. 9 plus 4 is 13. Write 3 here and add the 1 to this. Then multiply the unit. That's 1 times 1. This will give 1. So this will be 3731. Press your calculator and confirm. Now try this. 21 times 81. 231 times 421. In this case, you'll be using these two numbers as the tens and the 1 as the unit. Leave your answers in the comments.